Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Got a hair right here, got a hair. Decided to go ahead and play with some colorful looks again. If you guys are trying to look for more natural looks, then just comment down below and let me know. I can go ahead and do natural looks too. I'm more excited to do more of like this colorful, playful look. I don't know, it's art. So it's just like a way to express myself. I love colorful looks. I'm not bubbly, I guess, and I like it. I don't know, I like it a lot. I actually wouldn't mind wearing this to the clubs. I feel very comfortable and I feel super cute and pretty with this makeup look. I just think it's so gorgeous. It's beautiful. I don't know, I'm feeling myself again. You guys know when I get all like weird and everything, it's because I'm feeling myself. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my lids using the LA Girl concealer. If you're wondering why it's orange right here, it's because I'm color correcting. So I just kind of like let it set right there. The palette I have in mind on using is the Bella Nora Collection palette. You guys already know this is one of my go-to. And look at all these colors. Look how beautiful. This one's kind of shimmery, so I don't know if it's going to go the way I want to do it. It looks good. So I'm going to give it a try and do that. With a pencil brush, I will go ahead and apply it all over the crease. This is a Morphe Gunmetal Collection. It's a little bit more dense than a regular fluffy brush, so it should focus more on one more spot, but still be able to go ahead and buff it out. I'll be grabbing this green color right here. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. Hold on. Can you see it? Can you see it? I will be patting it right above the blue. Alright, so once I buff the green and I blend it with the blue, I'm going to go back with the pencil brush and add a little bit more blue right on the crease. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this yellow right here with this fluffy crease brush, and I'll put it right above the green. I really want to deepen up the colors on the crease, so I'm going to add a little bit of the black. And I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brush. It's very, very fluffy and soft. So I'm just going to be using like this side of the tip right here to be applying it, and then the rest of the brush like to be buffing it. So let's see how that goes. See how I just added it on the tip of the brush? And I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to do it more like right on the crease, and then I'm just gonna be blending it. And then once I go ahead and darken up the whole crease right here, I'm just like lightly blending like this. Back with this pencil brush, I'm just gonna be adding it again. Then with this crease brush, I picked up no product and I started to blend just the outer part right here. I'm gonna grab more of the blue and I'm gonna put it on the outer V. Now for the fun part, I will be using this glitter right here. It's super neon, like super bright yellow. I will put the link down below where I got it. I will also be using the NYX glitter primer. I'll be doing a half cut crease. Alright, so I just finished putting glitter all over the lid. I'm going back with the pencil brush and I'm just going to be dusting off any glitter that went above the lid. Just very lightly, but do you see why I added black? Just to darken it up so it can look a little bit more defined on how the crease is. Back with this fluffy brush, I mix a little bit of the black and the blue, and I'm just going to be lightly patting it on the outer crease. And then I'm just going to be buffing it and blending and then lightly going over there. I just did my mascara, so I'm just going to wait till these dry up and I'm going to add these lashes. They are very gorgeous. Gorgeous, hunty. Yes, so pretty. You can use my discount code DARLA15, all capital, to go ahead and save some money. Yeah, I'm just going to add these, do my face, and I'll be right back so we can finish this look. Alright, I am now back. I did my face. Everything I put on my face, I'm going to put all that information on the description box. And I'm also going to do a video on Instagram if you guys want to see how I did this look on my face, what I put, how I did it. We're just going to do the lash line real quick. It's just going to be very simple. At least I think I will make it simple. With a pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and add yellow all over the lash line. With the same green, I'm going to go all over. Just on the outer part of my lash line, I will be adding blue. Alright, so that was the end of the tutorial. It wasn't that hard, huh? It's just more of the blending, I guess. I don't know. I'm just talking to myself. The only thing I didn't record was that I did add milk onto my bottom lash line just so my eyes can look a little bit bigger, and mascara. That's pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you guys haven't. Alright, so I gotta get going because I'm not going anywhere, but it's Sunday night, late. What am I gonna do? Where am I gonna go? No one's gonna really see me with this makeup, but I got leftover wings from last night and they are calling my name. I'm gonna be eating it right now. I'm gonna have the hot sauce here and there, but who cares? I gotta go. Bye.
It's on 40 in my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Get it money, nigga, that my man.